I just wanted to come on here today to introduce myself. My name is Angela, and I'm trying my damnedest to take care of all my rescues. My cats. They were all outdoor babies that came onto my porch, and me and my grandmother, we had to take care of them. There was just no other option. Empathy is good and bad in certain ways, because now I can't provide for them fully. I only have my income right now, so it's extremely difficult, especially with all the vet bills. Care credit is maxed. I'm just, all my resources are used up at the moment, so I just thought I'd get on here and just introduce who I am and show my cats. We got Ashes, who nags at me 24/7. I got Nemo, who does not like her personal space invaded. I am the same way, my love. Precious. He's my little boy that I think, I'm pretty sure he went blind. I notice when he walks around, he's basically feeling out before he steps. So that's why I'm thinking he has went blind. Come here. Say hi, Precious. And we have a fight happening. Come on. Nemo is very temperamental. This is a bit outside my comfort zone too, so I might just be killing two birds with one stone here, because I don't care about appearances anymore. There's more important things, and even though I'm not showered and I have no makeup on, I gotta get the word out there and ask for help, and that's basically it. Okay, thank you.